Hi YouTube, NARDIP here. In today's video I am going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive with window loader. So I have already downloaded a window ISO file and Rufus is installed on my computer. You need a minimum 18 GB pen drive. So I have already a 16 GB pen drive. So minimum requirement is 8 GB. You can download Windows ISO file from anywhere on internet, and I downloaded from softplay.net. I will give you a link in the description. Also you can download Rufus from its official site. So now browse your Windows ISO file. I put on desktop, open it, and you can change the name of volume. I will put window 10 home. After that you are ready to go. Hit the start button. Press OK. It is going to format your pen drive. And this whole process is going to take like 10 to 15 minutes, so have patience. I am going to skip this video. Here we go, my pen drive is ready. You can close this window. Let me show you USB drive is ready in my computer. Here we go, USB-C. I need to replug it. Let me replug the USB drive. Here we go, you can see window 10 home bootable USB drive is ready to go. You just need to restart your computer and it is going to boot up in this USB drive. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.